In this video lecture, we will cover research aptitude unit with respect to graphical representation of data, the PYQs that were asked in August-September 2024 examination. We will cover terms like histogram, line charts, pie charts, etc. And I will also inform you from where you will get all PDFs of all shifts of August and September 2024 examination. So do watch this video till the end. Before moving on to the questions, I want to inform you that there is a playlist on my YouTube channel named as August-September 2024 Paper 1 PYQs with Solutions. This is the name of the playlist. So इस playlist में जाके आपने ये वाला एक वीडियो है wherein I have done full analysis of research aptitude. In this video, I have discussed each and every topic for research aptitude which is important, which is trending, जिसमें से आपको definitely questions जो हैं आने वाले हैं and you're not supposed to leave any topic from this video. Okay, so go and watch this video. I will provide the link of this video in the description box of this video also. So the first term for you to prepare is histogram, right? It is also called as frequency distribution graph. Now let us try to understand it by step discussion over here. So this is an example. Class, you understand this is a class interval taken from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Frequency. For example, we are talking about marks of a subject. 7 students in the class have scored from 0 to 10 marks. 11 students have scored from 10 to 20 marks this way. Okay, so frequency is what? जो 7 students हैं, 7 number of students, they have scored marks in this class interval. 11 students, they have scored marks in this class interval. I hope this is clear. Same way 18, 19, 16 and 10. 10 students. 10 is what? Frequency, number of occurrence of that particular value. So 10, that is number of students, they have scored marks between 50 to 60. This is clear. So now this is graph and this is frequency distribution, how the frequency is distributed between the different class intervals. That is why it is called as frequency distribution graph. Clear? On x-axis you can see we have taken class intervals, that means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. These are taken from here. And on y-axis we have taken frequency as 5, 10, 15, 20. And what we are going to do is we are going to plot this data on this graph. Very easy. Now this is a bar from 0 to 10. It indicates frequency of 7. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a rectangle over here which represents the frequency in the corresponding class interval. Okay, so 7 tak we have made a bar, you can say, or you also call it as rectangle. Okay, so ये जो height of the rectangle है, height of the rectangle, it represents the frequency 7 over here. So I've highlighted 7 over here. Okay, similarly 10 to 20 class interval you can see over here. 11 is the frequency, so यहाँ तक हमने construct कर लिया 11, ठीक है, corresponding to this axis. Similarly 18 corresponding to this axis, 19 उससे ऊपर होगा, so corresponding to this axis. Then 16 it will come here and 10 जो है it will be parallel to this value. ठीक है, so when I'm doing all this, what are these bars? These are called as histogram. So what is histogram? It is the graphical representation of the frequency distribution. This is the frequency distribution, how the frequency is being distributed as per the different class intervals. So when we are presenting this frequency distribution graphically like this is called as histogram. The term is called as histogram. I hope this term is clear to you. Now, if you are clear with respect to the term that is histogram, you are able to do UGC-NET question. So this question is from 14th June 2023 examination shift 2. The question is very easy if you are prepared on the content. The graphical representation of a frequency distribution. These are the keywords. So prepare it for your next UGC-NET exam. The graphical representation of a frequency distribution is called as, the answer to this question straight away is histogram. Okay, so we will discuss other terms also. Continue with this video till the end. Now you are prepared with this term histogram. I'm going to discuss two other terms, that is frequency polygon and frequency curve now. Why? Because maybe these terms can be there as options in your next UGC net set examination. So you should prepare these terms. Okay? Histogram, you are clear with that this is frequency distribution. When you have made those histograms over here, I'm continuing the same question only. If I connect the midpoints, you can see of this bar, the midpoint is this. Of this bar, the midpoint is this. Midpoint, you understand, the center point. This is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, and this is the midpoint. When I connect the midpoints of all these histograms by a straight line, what is being made? The term is called as frequency polygon. इसे हम कहते क्या है? Frequency polygon. When all the midpoints of the histogram are joined by a straight line, remember this, this is the keyword, are joined by a straight line, it is called as frequency polygon. So this is a term for you to remember. Another term is frequency curve. In a same manner, when these midpoints of the histogram are connected by a free hand, ठीक है, अगर उसमें फ्री हैंड के साथ उन सभी मिड पॉइंट्स को अगर मैं ज्वाइन करते हैं तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व. Remember this, with a free hand, not by straight line. So I hope these two terms are clear to you. In case of any confusion, you can WhatsApp me on this number 975000491 to ask your queries. Okay. Now this is another UGC-NET set question taken from 28th August 2024 shift 2. So herein, let's read the question first. Which of the following graphical representation of data would be useful to show trends? ठीक है, so ये हमारे keywords हैं. Focus upon these keywords. So prepare this content over here. Answer to this question is line charts. अब ये जो line charts होते हैं, they are particularly useful for showing trends over time. दे डिस्प्ले डाटा पॉइंट्स. अब लाइन चार्ट्स में ना डाटा पॉइंट्स जो हैं वो शो किए जाते हैं, डिस्प्ले होते हैं कनेक्टेड बाय लाइंस. ठीक है, वी कैन ऑब्जर्व सम चेंजेस, पैटर्न्स, या कोई अगर रिलेशनशिप शो करना है बिटवीन द वेरिएबल्स ओवर टाइम तो उसके लिए लाइन चार्ट्स जो हैं वो यूज किए जाते हैं. Clear? So the answer to this question is line charts. Other terms we will discuss gradually. Okay. This is another UGC-NET question taken from 28th August 2024 shift 1. So herein the question is, which of the following methods of graphical representation of data would be useful for depicting proportions? Useful for depicting proportions. The answer to this question is pie charts. You can see over here this is a circle and there are different pies, or we can say slices, that represent different categories. Percentage wise जो है, जो different pies हैं, they are showing the different parts that contribute to the whole. ठीक है, for example, we can say market share of companies that is represented by ABC. Market share of company A is 15%, market share of company B is 20%, market share of company C is 30%. So these pies, these slices, they are depicting the proportions of a whole. So this is what? This is pie chart. This is pie chart. You have to understand this. Then line charts, we have already discussed that they are used to display trends over time. These are the keywords. Histograms, they show the frequency distribution of data in continuous intervals. When I say continuous intervals, it means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this. Scatter plots, they display relationships between two quantitative variables. For example, whether there is positive correlation between two variables or negative correlation between two variables. This is shown by scatter plots. I hope this is clear to you. Now these are the keywords to attempt UGC-NET set questions. So you must remember that there are various ways of representing the data graphically. There are various terms that you need to prepare. First term is histogram. It is the frequency distribution of data in continuous intervals. Second term is line chart. They show trends over time. The next term is pie charts. It shows proportions or percentages of a whole. I have covered all the questions related to graphical representation of data. Along with this book, you can cover these questions wherein August, September 2024 PYQs are given at one place, एंड उन सभी क्वेश्चंस की एक्सप्लेनेशंस along with their options are also given. ठीक है, there are various other terms to it, so do prepare that PDF very nicely because these are different set of questions which will give you JRF, because most of the students will be ignoring these type of questions or they are not preparing these set of questions. So if you are preparing these questions, you will score good marks in paper 1, so do not skip. Along with this book, all those who have got this book, आपने जून 2023 का जो PDF है वहाँ पे ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डाटा के PYQs अलग से सेट किए हुए हैं with their options explained, and August September 2024 there also graphical representation of data questions have been set separately and they have been fully solved with all the explanations in a detailed manner. In case of any query, any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me on this number, that is 97500000491. Now note down the homework for research aptitude. If you want to score full marks in research aptitude, the strategy is very simple, very easy. Okay, so you have to focus upon trending important topics, right? August September 2024 all shifts PYQs, I have set them at one place topic wise and I've explained them also. मैंने एक एक ऑप्शन को भी एक्सप्लेन किया है एंड बहुत अच्छे से नोट्स बनाए हैं, हर एक चीज उनमें मेंशन की है with detailed explanations. So I'm going to provide this PDF to all those students who have bought my book. So you can WhatsApp me on this number for this PDF. Okay, you will get this PDF free along with this book so that your preparation is complete. Then June 2024 PYQs, जो हमारा जून 2024 में एग्जामिनेशन कैंसिल हुआ था, जितने रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चंस थे, they have been set at one place with detailed explanations, and also I will provide you a YouTube video link discussing all these questions in the description box of this video. Okay, then December 2023 PYQs, June 2023 PYQs, all these important PYQs from all shifts have already been analyzed and covered in this book, each and every question. For example, validity, abbreviations, threats to internal validity, APA style, any question, ethnographic research, longitudinal research, reliability, ठीक है, and questions from 2014 to 2023, all important questions have been covered in this book, so you have to prepare the explanations very nicely. ठीक है, most important आपके लिए क्या है स्कोर करने के लिए, ये वाला जो PDF है बहुत important है, highly important है. इस PDF को you must prepare minimum 5 to 6 times before your exam. ठीक है, क्योंकि सारे क्वेश्चंस की डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन से आपको कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रिपेयर. एनालिसिस मैंने अभी इस वीडियो में स्टार्टिंग में पहले डिस्कस कर दिया है ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, सो सिंसियरली इस PDF को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर दो. रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड का आपको कुछ और करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. व्हाट आई एम डिस्कसिंग ओवर हियर, यू जस्ट डू दिस. ठीक है, देन प्लेजरिज्म PDF I have provided you along with this book. इस बुक में मैंने कवर अप किया, उस PDF के बाहर से क्वेश्चन आएगा ही नहीं, इनफैक्ट आया ही नहीं है. एंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस टॉपिक आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन दीज PDFs, इन दिस वन एंड इन दिस वन, सेग्रीगेट कर दिए सारे क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, तो उनको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लेना. प्लस मैंने आपको एक टेस्ट भी प्रोवाइड किया है ऑन दिस, एंड आई विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू यूट्यूब वीडियो विच I will provide you the link of that video in the description box of this video. तो उस वीडियो को भी अच्छे से देख लेना, समझ लेना, उस PDF को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लो. कोई भी क्वेश्चन इस PDF से, इस वीडियो से बाहर नहीं आएगा, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. ठीक है, नाउ बिकॉज स्टैटिस्टिक्स जो है अब इसका काफ़ी फोकस है इन रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड इन यूनिट 2 ऑफ पेपर 1, सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू ऑल दीज PDFs अलॉन्ग विद दिस बुक, ताकि आपकी स्टैटिस्टिक्स की भी अच्छी प्रिपरेशन हो जाए फॉर रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड. स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड्स में मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, मेजर्स ऑफ डिस्पर्शन एंड स्क्यूनेस, दे हैव बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल. देन कोरिलेशन, रिग्रेशन हैव बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड इन दिस PDF. प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, यू हैव टू फोकस अपॉन बाइनोमियल, नॉर्मल एंड पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस. एक्सपोनेंशियल भी इवन एक्सप्लेन किया इस PDF में. रिसर्च मेथड्स में यहाँ पे इस PDF में फोकस है ऑन प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग मेथड्स. ठीक है, सैम्पलिंग जो मेथड्स है हमारे उनके ऊपर, प्रोबेबिलिटी, नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी टेक्निक्स. ठीक है, हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग में यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द प्रोसेस, इंटायर प्रोसेस टू टेल टेस्ट, वन टेल टेस्ट, लेफ्ट राइट टेल, ये सारा कुछ आपने अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है. देन टाइप्स ऑफ एरर ऑल्सो यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर दैट. ठीक है, टाइप 1 error, type 2 error. Then various types of tests are there, which are parametric tests, which are non-parametric tests. Everything has been covered in this book. ठीक है, so ये आपकी complete preparation है. Do this, prepare this, and WhatsApp me on my number when you have prepared this book content, plus you have prepared all these PDFs. Okay. मैं आपको इस बुक के कुछ फीचर्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे देती हूँ. लाइक इन दिस बुक यू कैन कवर योर सिलेबस ऑफ पेपर 1 थ्रू ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस विद द कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एक्सप्लेनेशंस. ठीक है, सारे यूनिट्स को सेग्रीगेट किया है, यूनिट वाइज भी एंड टॉपिक वाइज भी. टॉपिक वाइज भी फॉर एग्जांपल टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड, रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड, इन यूनिट्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस को फ्रॉम 2014 से लेकर 2023 तक सभी क्वेश्चंस को सेग्रीगेट किया है, बाइफरकेट किया है. देयर आर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस आल्सो एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी चैप्टर. एंड ज़्यादा जो एम्फेसिस दिया है इस बुक में वो जून 2023 दिसंबर 2023 एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर दिया है. प्रॉपर जो एनालिसिस करके जो ट्रेंडिंग क्वेश्चंस थे उनकी डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस हैव बीन कवर्ड इन दिस बुक. ऐसा नहीं कि छोटी छोटी एक्सप्लेनेशंस हैं, प्रॉपर जो है टॉपिक्स को फुली एक्सप्लेन किया है. प्लस आपको ऑल शिफ्ट्स जून 2023, ऑल शिफ्ट्स दिसंबर 2023 के फ्री पीडीएफ नोट्स भी मैंने प्रोवाइड किए हैं अलॉन्ग विद दिस बुक. वन मोर स्पेशल अट्रैक्शन टू दिस बुक इज कि जो अगस्त सितंबर 2024 एग्जामिनेशन हेल्ड हुआ था उसके सारे शिफ्ट्स के जो पीडीएफ्स हैं विद डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के अगस्त सितंबर में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आए थे दे हैव बीन सेट इन वन डॉक्यूमेंट. उनके विद एक्सप्लेनेशंस, ऑप्शंस को भी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है. ये सारे फ्री पीडीएफ नोट्स आपको मिलेंगे इस बुक के साथ. एंड देयर इज ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज ऑल्सो. ठीक है, जिससे आपकी प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी फॉर पेपर 1. सो नो नीड टू वरी एट ऑल. प्लस I have also provided you PDF of 18th June. जो 18th June 2024 को एग्जामिनेशन हुआ था, जो कैंसिल हुआ था, उसके दोनों शिफ्ट्स, both shifts 1 and 2, free PDF notes are provided to you with detailed explanations. तभी मज़ा आएगा आपकी प्रिपरेशन का. So comment on this video if you want to prepare with me, like my video lectures, subscribe to my channel, because जिन्होंने subscribe नहीं किया हुआ you won't get the notification when I upload my video on YouTube. So you must subscribe my channel, comment on my video. Yes, you want to prepare with me or you don't want to prepare with me, right? And do comment how did you find my video lecture so that we can come up with new video ideas for you so that you can prepare very nicely. Now, all those who are interested, you can order this book from Amazon or Flipkart. I have provided you the link of Amazon in the description box of this video. You can click on that link and place your order. So if you're interested to prepare with me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, that is 9750000491. I will add you to my group of UGC-NET Paper 1 preparation. So all the very best for your examination.